Hello, and today I'll be talking about constructivism, a learning theory, and how I tied it up to the story I made up. So my story is named Jay and his chocolate. So let's start off by Jay, successful chocolate company owner. He has an extremely large factory where he makes any type of chocolate you can think of. He has various workers in his factory working long hours to fulfill the demand of those chocolates. So one day the workers stopped producing chocolate and Jay noticed and questioned himself. What have I done wrong? After doing some critical thinking, he went and communicated this with his workers. So I use here critical thinking because Jay is actually thinking of a reason of why his workers might have stopped working. Also, he communicated with his workers what he was thinking or what the workers were thinking and why was all this happening. So this ties into communication in the classroom where the teacher can communicate with the students and talk about the problems that each one of them have. And critical thinking is thinking of reasons for any type of lesson you're working on, any questions. So then they told him that they had a lot of prior knowledge of producing chocolate. So Jay knew that, but still had no clue of why they stopped. So he asked them what they needed or what they wanted. So here I use prior knowledge because the workers have been working a lot of years in this industry. So they know a lot about the chocolate and how to make it. So they are using it in their advantage of saying that that they need something because, they know a lot of the chocolate. After a moment of silence, they said that they wanted a raise. So then Jay thought of something and he communicated to them that he will collaborate with the workers to get the raise they wanted. So they are now not told to produce the double the quantity they usually do in one day by 6 p.m. And if they don't do it by that time, they won't get the deal. So here I used collaboration because Jay wants to work with the workers in order to make everything work again in the factory. Also, we can use this in the class to collaborate with students, or the students can collaborate between them in order to do a project or an assignment that the teacher does for them. So the workers then stare at each other and say, okay, it's fine, we'll do it by 6 p.m. So everyone got to work since the deal was done. Then these workers have an equal context in making chocolate and they will put it to work right in that moment. They know how to speed up the process of making chocolate. And also Jay was happy because he knew that his workers can do the task and knew that the raise was well deserved. So I used meaningful context here because the workers, since they have prior knowledge, they know how to do the process of making chocolate and they know how to speed up that process in order for them to meet the goal that Jay made for them. Then it was around 5:45 p.m. when Jay checked the production. He saw no movement and he went and looked for his workers and he found them playing cards. So Jay asked them, and the chocolates? When they answered, we were done by 4 p.m. and they're now shipped to the stores. Jay smiled to them and told them, I knew you guys will deliver. I am proud of all of you guys. Now go home and rest. And thank you for everything. So then everyone went home with a big smile on their face and accomplish what they have done. So this is my story, and that's how I use the words for the lesson of constructivism. From critical thinking and communication, prior knowledge, collaboration, and meaningful context. And thank you for watching.